In primetime news this evening, Court of Appeal rules Kensington Primary breached students' constitutional rights after demanding she trim her locked hairstyle.
Oh, and we'll explore Jamaica's human trafficking dilemma.
And CSE warns against price gouging in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, Jamaica is set to receive more money to help with the recovery post-Hurricane Beryl from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility. So I'll give the details a little later on.
I think that's what I call CRIF for short. Yes. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archibald, of course, all eyes are still on Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and what she'll do heading into the Olympic Games in Paris. Well, we'll get an idea of what she's up to in Lucerne, Switzerland tomorrow. She's set to contest the 100 meters along with a host of other Jamaicans. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Hear how I'm going to answer this. Merci, Jordan. Thank you, Jordan. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have been having sunny skies across most of the area for the afternoon, but we did have some isolated shower activity that did occur across sections of the west, and we are expecting an increase in showers and thunderstorms on Thursday across the island this week.
That's good news, I think. It's humid. It's been really humid. Yeah. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime, as well as the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, on which items have you observed a significant increase since the passage of Hurricane Beryl?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
I feel short again. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.